Hey guys, welcome to Wizard King Horror. Thank you for giving me 50 subscribers. Today's video is going to be about the top 7 haunted places of India. Kuldhara. Kuldhara is an abandoned village in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Kuldhara's establishment dates back to the early 13th century. Kuldhara was once a peaceful village inhabited by the Paliwal Brahmins. In the early 19th century, it was abandoned for unknown reasons. There are many reports about this. Some reports state that it was abandoned due to dwindling water supply. Some reports even state that it was abandoned because of an earthquake, but nobody knows the real reason. Kuldhara is now one of the most haunted places in India. The government of Rajasthan developed this village as a tourist site in the 2010s. Number 6. Number 6 goes to Dumas Beach. Dumas Beach is an urban beach in the city of Surat in Gujarat. It is one of the very popular tourist destinations in Gujarat and in India. Dumas Beach is also famous for being in the top 20 haunted spots in India. Dumas Beach is also known for its black sand, and that is one of the reasons why it's considered haunted. According to the legend, locals believe that this beach was formerly a Hindu burial site, and that is the reason behind the presence of these black sands. Many people have also been believed to see supernatural occurrences and ghosts, though all the reports of supernatural occurrences remain unproven till date. Number 5. Number 5 goes to Writers Building of Kolkata in West Bengal. Writers Building previously served for the government and the office of the Chief Minister of West Bengal until 2013. Over the years, Writers Building has gone through several extensions, and it was designed by Thomas Lyon in 1777. Now, why is Writers Building haunted? On 8 December of 1930, three members of the underground revolutionary group Bengal Volunteers assassinated the notorious Inspector General of Police Colonel N.S. Simpson, who was famous for his brutal oppression of political prisoners. Till now, nobody dares to go to that building after evening. Many people have also said to have witnessed paranormal activities over there, though all the reports are unproven. Number 4. Number 4 goes to Mukesh Mills. Mukesh Mills once served as a mill for producing textiles. Mukesh Mills was established in the 1870s by Mulji Bai Madhavani, who was the owner of the East African Hardware Limited. Mukesh Mills was the only mill in South Mumbai at that time. Therefore, it had a large private dock where the boats used to come unloading bales of cotton and loading yards of finished cloth. Later in 1975, a disastrous fire broke out and forced to shut down these mills forever. But the exact cause of the fire is still unexplained. Mukesh Mills is now one of the most haunted places in Mumbai. This mill was abruptly closed after that terrible fire. From that day onwards till now, this mill is known for various unusual and unexplained occurrences that have made this abandoned place one of the most haunted locations in India. Mukesh Mills has various stories which will shock you. People who have gone there have witnessed strange activities, sounds, music, etc. Some people have even witnessed the spirit of a man or a shadowy figure. People say that this man was once a mill worker. Vast Villa in Bangalore. The Vast Villa in Bangalore is one of the most haunted places in India. Vast Villa was once the home to the Vast sister, Doyas Vas and Veera Vas. They were the daughter of a famous lawyer. Doyas was stabbed to death in her home. She was buried there, and Veera moved out of the house. Now, this house is claimed to be haunted by Doyas' spirit. Many people have confirmed the presence of paranormal activities and some negative energy in the villa. Karkaduma Court in Delhi. Karkaduma Court is known for its paranormal activities. Many lawyers at the Karkadoma Court have already reported paranormal activities around them. The CCTV cameras have recorded shutting and opening of doors, files being plucked off the drawers, blinkering lights, the appearance of hazy figures through the walls, and even dislocation of chairs. Bhangar Fort. Now, anybody and everybody knows Bhangar Fort, the only legally haunted place in India. To the extent that the Archaeological Society of India has put up warning signs for forbidding tourists to be present there after sunset. Hence, no wonder the fort ranks on the top of the list of India's most haunted places. Bhangar Fort is known worldwide for its hauntedness. As per the legend, it states that a tantric fell in love with the princess of Bhangar, Ratnavati. He tried to use his magic to win over her, but the princess got to know of this and ordered him to be killed. But before the tantric died, he cursed the residents of the fort to die, and the village dwellers remain roofless forever. Bhangar Fort is still one of the most haunted places in the whole world. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you leave a like and hit the subscribe button.